Hold it out a little bit. Crazy. Well,
England. Sorry, my big laugh.
I love Dairy Queen.
Look at Rosie. She's been standing on her hind legs for like 30 seconds now.
oh, now they're switching to biting it.
Mick, come here.
Any minute they're gonna start fighting.
Ooh, little bites now.
Did you see Ozzy take a big one?
Yes. Look at Bauer. You guys share on each side.